friends, today we're going to do another activity to help us keep busy while we are under our stay at home. Today we are going to make sidewalk paint. Let's talk about a few of the things that we need for today. We need a bowl and we need a spoon or spatula to stir with. We need containers to squeeze the sidewalk paint out of when we're finished. If you don't have that type of container, you can always use an empty plastic bottle from soda and just poke a hole in the top with a nail. We need flour and we need water, dish soap, and we can use any type of dish soap, and food coloring. Today we're going to use green food coloring. So let's start by mixing our 1 cup of flour. So here's our 1 cup from our measuring cup. And next we need 1 cup of water. I use warm water, and it's best to have an adult or a big brother or sister help you to get your water. The next thing we do is we're going to stir the water and flour together until there's no lumps left in our mixture. This may take just a little bit, so just be patient and keep stirring. Looks a little bit like pancake batter. So here is our mixture. The next thing we're going to add after we've mixed the flour and water is we're going to add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Can everybody show me how many fingers it is to get 1? That's right, 1 tablespoon. So we're going to mix in the dish soap. And I used Dawn, and it's blue, so it gave my flour and water mixture a little bit of a blue tone. The next thing we're going to do is add our food coloring. I'm using a food coloring that's kind of like a gel, but you can use the kind that is just drops, and you want to add between 5 and 10 drops of food coloring to your mixture. So we'll stir that in. Is just a little thick, so I'm adding just a touch more water to make it a little bit thinner so that when I put it in my squirt bottle, it will squirt directly out. So now it's all ready to go, and it's about this consistency. So once we have it into our squirt bottle, you want to make sure that when you're using your paint that you're squirting it directly onto the sidewalk or the driveway, wherever your parents say that it's okay to use it. Because it has food coloring, it will stain carpet and countertops. So let's go ahead and try our sidewalk chalk and see how we do. Can everyone see how the paint came out? Thank you so much for joining me today and learning how to make our sidewalk paint. Have a great day.